Good morning. Good morning, bro.
Good morning, bro.
Good morning, bro. It's starting to rain again. It's about 12 o'clock. It's actually 12 o'clock on the dot. It's starting to rain. This is great weather, man. I'm telling you right now, it's great weather. It's cold, windy, and rainy.
Yes, but can you shop this for me? Yeah. Later. Oh, no. ระวังนะโอ้โดนกัดอีกแล้วอะไรวะ
For those of you wondering, this is Thai sausage, Isan style, Saikol.
Very good.
Very good. She had it shipped from Isan in a box. They came hot, so I don't know how good they are. And then we have the chili and cabbage you eat with it. So, yeah.
โอ้
Oh.
เดี๋ยวมีแดดด้วยเหรอแดดร้อนมาก
When you're camping, don't be one of these guys. At 88,000 ropes over there trying to hold up the tent. That's ingenuity right there. Ingenuity, people. This is what we deal with when you're out in the Thai jungles, especially during rainy season.
Saw that?
Yeah, I do now. Leeches. Leech. Right there.
They don't like me.
No.
Let's see, I will smoke on them.
Yeah, they're sensitive.
Oh.
They don't like it.
Oi, oi.
Hang on, buddy. Elena. Oh, okay. Right there.
Oh, it looks like a snake. You see?
Yeah, the baby leeches.
Oh, it look beautiful. Oh.
He's gonna find you. Oh, look at he smells you. He smells your skin.
What?
Look, he senses we're around him. But that's exactly what you deal with when you're out in the jungle. You have to be aware of the leeches. And these are pretty good sized leeches. They're not small ones. Huh? Oh, they're not small.
No.
They're pretty good sized leeches. They'll go right through your clothing, around your clothing or something. But they're small before they latch onto you. Once they latch on, they're like ticks, man. They blow up, get really huge because of the blood. I was going to show you these big old, we call them elephant ear plants. I mean, compared to my phone here, this one's the eye, big. How big that plant is. But in there, I'm sure you'll find leeches. More leeches. Yeah, but they don't know what I know. It's so
But I saw shopping that Asoto. But I heard the Japanese guy, I love the one. He said, Soto. We have the same. Yeah.
Okay, it's night number 2. Cooking another steak. My second steak. And currently raining right now. Getting dark. It's after 7 o'clock. About 5 after 7. Foggy. And we're just sitting around listening to the rain. So much light. See the hello. Everybody's cold. And windy, yeah. But you guys can see the fog coming in way over there. And over here. But anyway, I'm gonna finish cooking my steak. Steak and eggs, bro. Steak and eggs. Okay, this is the second night. We're in the beds. I think it's what, 9 o'clock? 9:27. So we had dinner, had a steak, and 3 eggs, and it's not raining right now, but it's windy. But we're all ready for bed. Got our long johns on, huh? But
I editing my video.
okay, yeah. But we got tomorrow and one more night, and then we head back after that. So, but I think I'll definitely come back. It's fun here. I like it. But it's like an adventure, man. A real adventure, huh?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Everything's beautiful.
It's rained. Man, I think shadows right in my face. It's rained most of the day today. Sun broke out one time. I think I got it on video. But yeah. Quiet. Nobody's loud here. Except for us. But alright, we'll see y'all in the morning. Good night. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Good morning. It's our third day, second night. One more night to go. It's 8 o'clock on the money. I'm making some coffee. Some people around us are up. These people behind me. People in front of me are up. But my group is not up yet. So I'm going to make some coffee. And it's very foggy today. A lot of wind, a lot of fog, a lot of rain last night. Not heavy rain, just rain off and on. But the wind was really bad. So.
Đang cái tên gì? Thì là cái kemใส่ที่เอาไม่มาใครอยากกินไข่ไม่อินหนูอยากกินไข่ดาวดาวก็ทำเองทำไมอ่ะ
I want scrambled.
กินไข่ดาวชอบกิน
Thank you, babe. All right, so we're getting ready to go on a hike today. It's 11:35. Probably about an hour up and an hour down.
อ้าวไปทางนั้นเหรอ
หล่อมากมากอก
ถ้าใส่เสื้อตัวนั้นน่าจะดี
Yeah. มาตอก
ฮ่าฮ่าฮ่าฮิฮิฮิฮ่าฮ่าฮ่าฮูฮูฮูฮูฮ่าฮ่าฮิฮิฮ่าถ้าลงไปไทยมันถึงจะอยู่ป้าอะไรพูดอะไรสักอย่างพูดอะไรสักอย่าง
What do you say?
Say something
Can I lie ครับ
อะไรครับ
She
ฮ่าฮ่าฮ่าฮูฮิฮิฮิฮูฮ่าฮูฮ่าฮูฮ่าไม่ใช่ไม่ใช่ทิ้งถ่ายวิดีโอให้ป้าถ่ายวิดีโอให้เก่งนะ หนูไม่ได้ sign up มาเพื่อสิ่งนี้โอ้ยอาชิบะอาชิบะสักเขา อาชิบะอาชิบะ thank you ฮ่าฮ่าฮ่าชูระวังลื่นนะ
สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ
ไม่ถึงโอ้
We see Kung Pao up there. Kung Pao chicken. Kung Pao chicken.
กลับกันเลย
Yeah, your first viewpoint. We're done.
นี่สิ
Myanmar over there, Myanmar. That's where all the wind comes through, right through here.
โอ้เลยฟังปีน แนวไหนแนวนอนทำไมไม่ใช้โทรศัพท์หนู
I don't remember that last time, do you?
ไอ้ตัวใหญ่ If we walk like this every day, would be good, huh?
Yeah. walk. All right, that was our hike. We're all done. Let me get my mic on. Okay, there it goes. All right, so that was our hike. Owen and Ben are still coming. They're behind us, but we're going ahead and head back to camp. Cool off. I'm all sweaty. Well, hope you enjoyed the views as much as we did, so see you back at camp. So we made it back just in time. Pouring down rain.
เรามาถึงปุ๊บตกปั๊บป้าบอกแล้วเจ้าบอกว่าฉันอดแทบไม่ได้ฉันหยุด
We're all getting wet in here, man. Oh, we're all hunkering down. Hunkering down!
ฝนลงในหมอกเธอน่ะโดนร่มแล้วมันก็เข้ามาตรงบ่อน่ะทั้งที่หนูนอนนอกเต็นท์มันสนุกเลยนะไม่ยอมมาดูแต่ก่อนเย็น
So I'm standing out here in the rain. It's it doesn't sound very loud, and it's not, but it's more wind, and it breaks the rain down to a fine spray, and it's very it looks worse than it is, but it's not. I'm just standing. I mean, you can't even hear it hit the umbrella. It's just like spray. You hear a little bit, but that's about it. Just some nasty weather. Look at that, you can't see out there, it's so foggy. We're in the clouds. Look at this guy, he's braving the storm. He's braving the storm. He's so courageous. He's not even getting wet. You alright? He's trying to cook him, babe. He's about to go in the tent. I can see it in his eyes. Yeah, it's blowing out here. Oh, what was that? That's a tree. That's a tree that fell down. Boy. So I had to come back to the tent, man. It's so windy out there, blowing around, raining. The wind's picked up. It's knocked over a few trees out there. So we had to come back in the tent. Well, I did. She's still out there. But man, what a crazy weather, man. It was sunny earlier. Now it's windy as gusty winds. Keep in mind, I'm in the back of my truck. So I'm laying in the bed of the truck in my tent. Good? So we're off the ground and not experiencing like flooding or anything like that, so this is a little bit safer. I just hope that no trees fall on the truck because there's some big trees behind us.
I think it was a big tree earlier, huh?
Yeah, that fell?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Well, we're going to wait it out till it dies down. It's only 5 o'clock. So, gotta wait it out and I'll eat my last dinner, my last steak. And then, yeah, we'll see how the rest of the night goes. Ing and I are out here standing in the rain. Pat Long, Pat Long, Long Lane, Long Lane, Long Lane, Long Lane, not Pat Long, no. But it's wind, oh my gosh. Woo. This is a real camping adventure right here, son. I don't care what anybody says. What's he running from? Oh, something blue. Go away. Let's go stand over there. My sticker. My sticker. Where's my sticker at? Oh, yeah. There's my sticker. Right there, bro. Right there. Soy mat. Look, they can't get their tarp up. Look. Four people in that one tent? Oh, that's pretty. Pretty. Yeah. It's great. He's flying without his glasses on.อะไรนะ
ลมแรงหมักมัก
นี่ค่ะพี่โอ๋เนี่ยแต่มาอยู่ตรงนี้เงียบเลยอ่ะเนี่ย
Yeah, you get around here and you don't feel nothing. Look at that. Told you.
คนละเรื่องเลย
Look, it's full wind over there where she's at.
พี่โอตรงนี้ไม่มีลม
This is our last day, last night here, so windy, so windy out here. But we're making the best of it. We're all walking around in this hard wind and before it gets dark. So we're gonna be heading out tomorrow. We're gonna be heading back home, and I'll be editing this video for about a week. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. Might do a little video before we leave. last steak for the night. We're leaving tomorrow. But this is the last steak, and I'll show you when it's in the pan. But it's about a little after 7 o'clock, and getting a little bit of late start. But man, we've been enjoying the day with the wind and the rain and fog and clouds and everything else. Everybody been sitting outside. Everybody here? Hey. Okay. Everybody's eating rice and steak. It's a funny looking fillet, but it looks like a steak wing. Not a chicken wing, but a steak wing. Good night, you guys. This is our last night. It's raining out. A little bit of wind. It's cooler tonight than it was last night, definitely. I think it's around 18 degrees Celsius, which is, not, it's not like it's freezing cold, but it's cold enough to where it's got a little chill. Especially when it's raining and you're wet. It's a little kind of miserable, but anyway, we've had fun. It's a great day today. I had dinner, and everybody's having a great time. We're going to definitely plan another trip. We're actually going to plan on probably going to Chiang Mai probably soon. We're just chasing the rain around, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I think we're going to hike this time. We're going to hike by train and backpack to our destination. So anyway, all right, you guys have a great night, and we'll see you in the morning. Okay, good morning. We're our last morning here. Pang's making some breakfast. Sherry made mine. Bacon and eggs, scrambled eggs. We got Ing here. He got up early this morning, man. I saw him up there at 6 o'clock, 6:30 this morning. But let me show you the list. Oi. 4 eggs and about 20 pieces of bacon. Huh. And now she's making cow pat, which is fried rice with ham, eggs, garlic, cloves, and whatever she wants to put in there. Soy sauce.
No sauce.
No sauce. No sauce for you. We picked up this guy about 2 years ago in Chiang Mai at Decathlon. Decathlon number 1.
Number 1.
Hello.